Alright guys, so we are headed up to Lytle Creek right now. We're going to see how it is after the storm and what's still there, what's not still there, see how it all looks. So far right now it's still raining. We got Sergio on the radio right there. Yeah, the rain is, we're going to take our time coming through this area. So yeah, let's see how it all turned out. All right, got the vehicle in 4 low. We're just gonna crawl up this obstacle. There we go. There we go, Robert. Smacked my head. Shit, I want my seatbelt. Get in there. So right here is the trail that brings you in. It's usually pretty easy. And then as you can see, it's eroded a bit. They showed you there for scales to tell you how much it's eroded. Sergio, how tall are you again? 5'5", 5'4", but yeah, you guys can see definitely this trail's seen better days. Yeah, and then you usually would come up here onto the ledge, which would take you around the mountain to get you to the yellow post 1, but I'll show you in a little bit. It's washed out too. Normally you would ride along that mountain ridge and it would take you back to all the other yellow posts, but that's gone now. So we're just walking it right now. Sergio and Frank. We're trying to find a path to that trail over there.
Oh, they're going through here.
Yeah. Hold on.
Actually,
yeah, he comes over.
Hard left it.
Hard left.
There you go. Okay, you'll probably feel a little smack on your butt in a second. You're fine. Just keep going. Golden. Okay. Just go straight for it.
Collateral damage.
Well, as long as that's the only thing that's hard so far, because I felt the center hit earlier.
Yeah.
Robert, you got it. See? We're getting through it.
Right there. All right. Oh, shit. Nanny has almost died. I cut it this way, Frank. Okay. Perfect. Keep going. So rain's starting to come down now. All right. Good, Frank? There we go. All right.
You put butter?
No. Bit of an incline here. All right, guys. So, how do you guys like your burritos?
Good.
We made some chorizo and egg burritos right now, and yeah, we're gonna get some coffee in a second. All right, we got coffee ready to go. So guys, we are out here right now. We're enjoying some coffee. I gotta say, this area is really cool though. A lot of great, the trail's washed out in a lot of sections. So I'm gonna say is, if you use caution coming out here, if you have a good ground clearance and some bigger tires, you probably could make this. But if not, maybe wait until they regrade all these trails and the roads. But man, dude, I'm gonna show you guys some more. But this is a great spot right now that we're hanging out at. We got a little dry area right now with the Tacoma and the 4Runner, and then some coffee as well to warm our spirits. Let me walk around some more, guys. Should have put that on. All right, so we're coming back over here by the water.
What do you want me to say about this?
What's up?
A van by the river?
Living in a van down by the river. So you see, at one point when it was raging, it really eroded this side of the trail. All right, guys, so we're over here by the trail right now. Actually, by the water, or the river up here on 3N06B. And guys, you can see, yeah, this thing was raging at one point in time. At least it calmed down just enough, but yeah, this is a whole new location now. All right, so we've had our fun here. Rain started coming down a little harder, so we packed it in. But we had a great breakfast, great adventure. So we're gonna head back down. Let's see what else we can see, guys. But yeah, a lot of this is very, very eroded. So this just makes it much more fun for our adventure. But yeah, let's keep trekking on. So we are trekking behind Frank right now. So far, like I said, this is not too bad, but there is some sections where ground clearance is your friend. Bear in mind that. But yeah, still a good spot to go visit. There we go. I think our Nismo friend is a little. Better slow down for him just in case. There's Serge.
scrape. Here it goes.
We have a couple incoming.
So a bit of an update. We're getting through this right now. A lot of groups are coming up right now, so I'm glad we got here early this morning. Let's try to find a spot past these guys. The rain's starting to come down a little bit now, but not too bad. Like at least manageable.
All right, so we made it back down to the riverbed again, guys. This place it's fun, but man, you gotta tell you, with the weather picking up right now, this road the trail's constantly changing, and you better be prepared.
Yeah.
And a lot of it is eroded, so, buyer beware. But hey, this just makes the adventure that much more better, guys. And speaking of adventure though, guys, if you like this content and want to see more like it, consider subscribing to Wonder Offroad. Check out our merch on our Shopify store, link in the description below, guys. I know it's not like our normal adventures I'd like to bring you, but hey, we're still out here exploring. So guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.